Hello everyone and welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a poll on LinkedIn. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to start a new post. When you start a new post, you're going to click the plus symbol basically here to reveal more options. And here you're going to select create a poll. So you are going to add your questions, you are going to add answers basically to your questions, and you can add options for these answers. And the next thing you need to do is to add a poll duration for how long do you want this poll to be live and people to be able to vote. 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 2 weeks are the options. And that's pretty much it. So once you create the poll, you're going to click done. You're going to preview your poll here. Obviously, this is just a test. You're going to type your text basically above the poll, and then you are going to publish, or you can click here schedule for later, and you can schedule your poll to go live at a specific day and time. So that's it. One more time, all you have to do is to start the post, then under post, if you are on desktop, you're going to click more to reveal more options. Then you're going to select create a poll. You're going to type your question. You're going to type the options that people will have to choose an answer. Then you're going to select the poll duration. You're going to click done. You're going to pair that with your LinkedIn text, and you are going to publish it, or you're going to schedule it for later. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.